Everybody have come? Anyhow, let me begin better. Now take your book, exercise 4.2, using properties of determinant. So we will use 7 properties, whatever yesterday we have seen. Using 7 properties and without expanding. From question number 1 to 6, not 1 to 5, 1 to 6 questions. Without the expanding, we have to prove whatever LHS equal to RHS as per given. Clear? Now listen. So without expanding means you cannot open whatever we expanded using R1, using C1 we expanded. So you cannot expand here. Only use property, then tell RHS answer. Okay, fine. Now see here. See, the value of determinant is 0. We can use, there are 2 properties better. Number 1, if any 2 rows or columns are identical, then the value of determinant is 0. Number 2, if any 2 rows or columns are proportional, then the value of determinant is 0. Number 3, if any row or any column, all elements are 0, then value of determinant is 0. So there are 3 possibilities I told you equal to 0. Number 1, if any 2 rows or columns are identical, then the value of determinant is 0. If any 2 rows or columns are proportional, then the value of determinant is 0. Or otherwise, if any row or any column, all elements are 0, then value of determinant is 0. Now, up to your choice, you can use in 3 conditions. Any 1 condition, you can use it. Clear to you? Now, see here. Here you have, there are so many ways. Number 1, if you want to see this is x plus a, if you want to split in 2 matrices, you can split. We have seen yesterday one property. If any row or any column, that is if sum or all elements of a row or column is a sum of 2 or more elements, then the determinant can be expressed as a sum of 2 or more determinants. Using that property, you can split this 2 determinants. Otherwise, here x plus a, here x, here a. If you are adding, you will get x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. That is up to your choice. So what I am doing here, I am taking LHS. The C1 can be written as C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2. Otherwise, you can do C3 minus C2. Otherwise, you can do C3 minus C1. You will get identical. So you have so many ways to bring that 2 rows or 2 columns are identical property. If I do C1 can be written as C1 plus C2. So that is equal to what I will get x plus a, and then y plus b, and then z plus c. And then here a, b, c, remaining column keep it same, x plus a, and then y plus b, and then z plus c. Okay, fine. Now that is equal to here C1 and C3. C1 and C3 are identical. So therefore, value of determinant equal to what we will get it? 0. Are you clear what I'm saying? Yes. Say yes, no, beta. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see question number 2, beta. Let me explain question number 2. If possible, you can do it at homework. This is a minus b, b minus c, then c minus a. Then here is b minus c minus a minus b. Then c minus a, then a minus b, then b minus c. Now see here, this is also equal to 0. Now you have to use the property. I told you there are 3 ways you can make it equal to 0. Either you should bring identical, or otherwise you should bring proportional, or otherwise any row or any column, the all elements are 0, then value of determinant is 0. 3 ways I told you. Here you have to see C1, C2, C1 means like this, R1 means like this, R1, R2. Row wise means horizontally, column wise means vertically. Okay. So that is up to your choice. Either if you are writing C1 can be written as C1 plus C2 plus C3. I'm changing C1 plus C2 plus C3. Or you can use this property R1 can be written as all are same R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now see, if I do C1 plus C2 plus C3 in first column, A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus C, everything will be cancelled 0. Same C here, everything will be cancelled, you will get next element is 0. So first column 0, 0, 0. So if any row or any column is a 0, all elements are 0, then you will get it value of determinant is 0. So can you do this one homework? Can you do? Say yes, no, beta immediately.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see question number 3 I am taking. Yes, question number 3. Let me explain. 2, 3 and then 5, 7, 8, 9, then 65, 75 and then 86 equal to again 0. 0 means only I told you 3 properties. Once you are getting equal to 0, keep in your mind 3 properties. Okay. Now you have to bring identical or proportional, that is up to your choice. Anyhow, you should know multiplication, division, number system proper. You should know that only it is possible this type of questions. Here is a 65 better. So 7, so you divide by 65. 65 by 7, 65 by 7. How much you will get it? How much? 9 sevens are how much? 63. 63 better. 9 sevens are 63 plus 2. 65 you will get it. See now listen. What I am doing here. This C1 can be written as or otherwise C2 can be written as. That is up to your choice. C1 can be written as C1 plus 9 into C2. C1 plus 9 into C2. Now do it C1 plus 9 into C2. 2 plus 63 and then 3 plus 72. Now 5 plus 81. Now 7, 8, 9, 65, then 75. I told you equal to 0 means you have some link, either identical, proportional. That you have to check how I will get identical. Now see, that is equal to, we will get it as 65, 7, 65, then 75, 8, 75, then 86 and 9, 86. So here we are getting equal to 0. Since what is the reason? Since C1 and C2 are identical. C1 and C2 are identical. So like this you have to identify. Like this they will ask one more question. You have to identify what is the relation. Either relation between rows or columns. That's you have to check it. Note down better fast. Note down. Note down fast. So question number 2 is a homework. I'm writing operation also. I'm writing operation also so that you will not feel any difficult at the time of doing homework. Beta, mute your voice. Mute your voice, beta. Mute your voice. Beta, mute your voice. Beta, mute your voice. What happened? हो गया बेटा बेटा थोड़ा फास्ट नोट डाउन करो डन बेटा yes Beta, have you done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, beta, next I'm taking question number. Next I'm taking question number 4. 4 is also, let me explain you how to do homework. Let me explain first, this is BC and this is CA and then this is AB. First you have to do one thing, beta, here open this bracket. Open this bracket. Now listen, if you open this you will get it AB plus AC and then here you will get BC plus AB. Here you will get it AC plus BC. Okay, fine. I'm just explaining LHS. So if you open this, so you will either, I told you equal to, they are saying 0. Either you should bring identical or proportional or otherwise any row or any column or all elements are 0. Now listen, you are seeing here AB plus AC. If you are adding the C3 can be written as C3 plus C2. So what you will get it better? See, listen, 1, 1, 1, BC, CA. This is a homework. AB. Now if you are adding these two, AB plus BC plus AC, you will get it again. If you are adding this Again AB plus BC plus CA. Again if you are adding these two, again you will get AB plus BC plus AC. Now you can write C1, C2 and C3 are proportional. If you want to take out AB plus BC plus AC from this C3, you will get identical. That is up to your choice. Otherwise you can write, let me completely correlate to you. So if you want to take out here C2 and C3 are proportional. You can say this reason. So therefore the value of determinant is 0. Okay, fine. No doubt. Then I will take question number 5. 5 is one of the most important question better. One of the most important.
Ma'am, C3 are proportionally matching.
C2 and C1 and C3 are proportional better. Multiply and ratio are same. C1 and C3 are proportional.
Ma'am, this question is classwork.
Yeah, classwork, do it. I have done it. Okay, now let me take question number 5 is one of the most important question better. It's a repeated question. Okay, so very carefully you have to note down. Shall I erase this one? Yes?
No, ma'am.
Write down fast better. Just a simple one operation, just to open it, then C3 can be written as C3 plus C2. Then you have to write down C1 and C3 are proportional. Then the value of determinant is 0. Now I am taking question number 5. Is one of the most important question, B plus C, and then C plus A plus B, and then here A plus B, and then here Q plus R plus P, and then P plus Q, and then next Y plus Z, and then Z plus X, and then X plus Y. But this is one of the most important question, equal to they are saying twice of, that is A, P, X, and then B, Q, Y, and then C, R, Z. Okay, fine. Now it is not equal to 0, mind it. So very carefully you have to do it. Here what type of mistake you can commit? I am taking LHS better. Here what is given here? B plus C, Q plus R. Now, Q plus R, Y plus Z, and then C plus A, R plus P, and then Z plus X, and then A plus B, and then P plus Q, and then X plus Y. Now, better listen, what mistake generally you do, you cannot split in two determinant. Yesterday I told you what they do like this, R, Z, then A, P, X, and then plus. This is completely wrong. Are you clear what I'm saying? What property was saying this P, B, Q, Y. If you are writing like this is completely wrong. What I told you property, if sum or all elements of a row or column is a sum of two, any single row, single column is a sum of two or more elements, then the determinant can be expressed sum of two or more determinants. As per that property, we can get here, we will get 6 determinants for this two, for this two, for this two, total 6 determinants we will get. So better how to using properties of determinant, how to prove LHS equal to RHS. Now listen here, what I am doing, see, we cannot do column wise elements are different. Now row wise, what I am doing here, R1 can be written as R1 plus R2 plus R3. So what I will get it, R1 plus R2 plus R3, see, 2A, 2B, 2C, twice of I am getting A plus B plus C. Here I am getting 2Q, that is twice of P plus Q plus R, and then here I am getting twice of X plus Y plus Z. Now this is same C plus A, R plus P, and then Z plus X, and then A plus B, and then P plus Q, and then X plus Y. Okay, fine. Now if I take out 2, that is take out 2 from, that is we are using, if any row or any column is a multiple of K, then the value of determinant gets multiplied by K. That property I am using, understood, no need of writing any property. So here is also we have used one property, if any row or any column, a unique multiple of another row or another column are added, then the value of determinant is the same. So that property I have used. Again, I'm using here another property. At least two property you have to use in 4-mark question. So take out 2 from where? R1. Now if I taking out 2 from R1, I will get it A plus B plus C, then P plus Q plus R, then X plus Y plus Z, then C plus A, then R plus P, then Z plus X, and then A plus B, and then P plus Q, and then X plus Y. Now again, now see, listen. If what I am going to do, this C2, R2 can be written as R2 minus R1. I need a single element. So R2 minus R1, CC will be cancelled, AA will be cancelled, I will get it B. So what I am doing here, R2 can be written as R2 minus R1. Keep it any row or any column is constant. With the help of any row or any single column, you have to change another two columns so that you will not get any confusion. Now, I told you one thing, at least two properties you have to use. Number two, whenever you are doing the operation, keep any one row or any one column constant. With the help of that row, you have to change another row. Otherwise, you will get confusion. That's it. Running operation, don't do R1 minus R2, R2 minus R3, R3 minus R1. Don't do like that. Now R2 can be written as R2 minus R1 and R3 can be written as R3 minus R1. I am keeping R1 constant. With the help of R1, I am changing R2 under R3. Now that is equal to twice of. Now first row is the same, A plus B plus C, and then P plus Q plus R, and then X plus Y plus Z. Here we have C plus A, and then R plus P, and then Z plus X. And then here A plus B, and then P plus Q, and then X plus Y. Now, sorry, if I do minus R2 minus R3, what I will get it better? R2 minus R3, CC cancel, AA cancel, minus B. Now this minus this, RR cancel, PP cancel, minus Q. Now this minus this, Z cancel, XX cancel, minus Y. Now R3 minus R1, A cancel, B cancel, minus C. Now this minus this, minus R, this minus this, I will get it minus Z. Now take out minus from where? R2 and R3. Whatever the common element you take out minus from R2 and R3 respectively. So I will get it here, I will get it minus ka whole square. Automatically it becomes positive. So A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, and then X plus Y plus Z. And then here B, Q, then Y, then C, R, Z. Okay, fine. Minus ka square becomes positive. Now what I am doing here, R1 can be written as R1 minus R2 minus R3. That is equal to twice of R1 minus R2 minus R3. B cancel, C cancel, I will get it A. Here R1 minus R2 minus R3, that is a P. This again Y cancel, Z cancel, X, then B, Q, Y, and C, R, Z. Have you got it, RHS? Now I have taken LHS, but it is one of the most important question. I have taken LHS. First operation what I did, R1 can be written as R1 plus R2 plus R3. I cannot write here C1 plus C2, elements are different. So R1 plus R2 plus R3. So that means I have used one property. Another property I am using here, 2 I have taken out, I am getting this. I need a single element in RHS. So that's why what I am doing, R2 can be written as R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1 I am doing. Then after that I am getting this one. If I take out R2 and R3 minus respectively, then I will get it minus ka square becomes positive. Then after that I am doing this operation, I am getting RHS. Are you clear everybody? Clear beta? Say yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no down fast. This even, still I'm not expanding any questions. Okay, even question number 6 also without expanding question. So that's also I'm doing it. Fast, do fast. Hurry. Written beta? Done beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now take it another question. Another question. This year, 1 mark question, they have converted into 1 mark question. Actually, it is a 4 mark question. Another most important question, this one. Everybody have written? They never say yes, no. Never say. Now see question number, I'm taking beta question number 6. This is also without expanding question. So what they have given here, that is 0, A minus B, and then minus A, 0, minus C, then B, C, 0 equal to 0. Anyhow, can you say this is which type of matrix? This is determinant symbol. I'm asking this is which type of matrix inside? Yes.
Q symmetric
Yes,
matrix.
exactly. It is a skew symmetric matrix. But what I am taking, this question number 6, I am taking this is delta equal delta. Okay, determinant is always denoted by delta. I cannot bring here identical, any row or any column. Proportional I cannot bring here. So what I am doing here, you have seen, since we know another property delta equal to delta transpose. That is property number 1 is saying the value of determinant remains unchanged if rows and columns are interchanged. Delta equal to delta transpose, I am taking its transpose. If I do it 0, then minus A, then B, then A. This year, 1 mark question, they have converted this question into 1 mark question. A, then 0, then C, minus B, minus C, 0. So that is I'm finding here transpose. Now listen here, what I'm doing here, take out, to bring this determinant, to take out minus from where R1, comma R2, comma R3 respectively. Okay, fine. So minus ka Q. Now what I will get it is 0, A minus B, minus A, 0, minus C, then B, C, 0. So what I am getting here, minus ka cube, we will get it this minus, we are getting same delta. So that is equal to delta transpose equal to, we are getting minus delta. This implies if I take it this delta this side, delta plus delta transpose equal to 0, equal to, so they asked delta plus delta transpose always equal to 0. Yes, they have given delta, they have given this delta, and they asked delta plus delta transpose equal to question mark. They have given multiple choice question 1, 2, 0, 5 like this. So this is the answer. Always delta plus delta transpose always equal to 0 if it is a symmetric matrix. That's minded. Okay. Okay. Are you clear? Are you clear or not here? Now see,
Yes,
yes. Now question number 7, another most each question, repeated question that's keep in our mind. I'm taking question number 7. Minus A square, then AB, then AC, then BA, then minus B square, BC, CA, then CB, and then minus C square equal to 4 times of A square, B square, C square. Okay, fine. Now see, I'm taking LHS, I'm going to, now without expanding, they did not say you have to use property at least 2 property. Now you keep the points, whatever I'm saying right now. First you have to check any common element for any row or any column. First you take out. Suppose if you are adding any 2 rows or any 2 columns, if you are getting any common element, you can add it. Means you have to bring minimum 20 before opening the determinant, and if there is any common element you have to take out. Then number 3, use at least 2 properties. Now once again there are 3 properties I told you, 3 things I told you. Number 1, if you are by adding or by subtracting, if any common element you can take out. Number 2, bring at least 2 0 inside the determinant. Number 3, before opening the determinant, that should be in simplified form. Then number 4, what I told, use minimum 2 property in one 4-mark question. Now keep all these 4 points. I'm proving this one LHS equal to RHS. Now I'm taking LHS. Now see, this is minus A square, then AB, then AC, then BA, then minus B square, BC, CA, CB minus C square. Now see here, Vida. Now row wise or column wise. See, A is common here. Another row. B is common. Another row. C is common. Now what I am writing here, take out A, comma B, comma C from R1, comma R2, comma R3. If you are not writing this sentence, then no one knows what property you are using. So if take out A, B, C from R1, R2, R3 respectively. Now that is equal to, I will get it A, B, C outside. Now if I take A here, minus A, B, C. If I take B here, then B, that is, sorry, A minus B, then C. If I take C here, A, B minus C. Now once again, see, column wise, A is common. If you want to make it 0, you can make it 0. That is up to your choice. If you want to take out a common element, again you can take out, you take a common element. Take out A, comma B, comma C from C1, comma C2, comma C3 respectively. Now that is equal to A square, B square, C square. I will get to minus 1, 1, 1. Then B, if I take 1 minus 1, 1. If I take C, 1, 1 minus 1. Now if don't open directly, you should bring at least 2 0 inside the determinant. For this row wise, column wise, that is up to your choice. If I'm adding these two, I will get it to 0. Now I'm keeping C1 as a constant. C2 can be written as C2 plus C1 and C3 can be written as C3 plus C1. If I do this operation, A square, B square, what is the purpose of doing this operation? So that I get a 0 inside the determinant. Now minus 1, 1, 1. If I add these two, 0. If I add these two, 0. This plus this 2. If I add these two, 0. Now 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Now you can open the determinant, because we have minimum 2 0 you should bring before opening the determinant, so that order of determinant will be reduced. That is the purpose of bringing minimum 2 0 inside the determinant. Now if I open this, A square, B square, C square into any one row or column, you can use it. Beta minus 1 into, I'm using first row, minus 1 into downward minus upward. So minus 1 into 0 minus 4. Now rest of the element is 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0. Now that is equal to minus minus plus 4 times of A square, B square, C square. Are you clear, beta? Are you clear, everybody? Say yes, no.
नीचे से थोड़ा बोर्ड विजिबल नहीं है.
कौन सा साइड? इधर साइड, नीचे की तरफ से बेटा,
राइट हैंड साइड.
राइट हैंड साइड. यस, अब देखो बेटा. यस,
यस मैम.
हाँ, थोड़ा जल्दी लिखो, फिर मैं ऊपर कर देती हूँ. फास्ट हरिया. बोर्ड पूरा विजिबल है आप लोगों का?
यस मैम.
हाँ, राइट डाउन बेटा, राइट डाउन फास्ट. राइट फास्ट. Right beta fast. At least one question we will do it. One more question. Beta done. Fast hurry up.
मैम
कौन सा बेटा?
7.
नहीं बेटा, equal to they are saying RHS 4 times of A square, B square, C square you have to prove. That's I have proved. Question number 6 tak without expanding. So that's why we brought 3 ideas. Okay. Now they are saying LHS equal to RHS you have to prove. They did not say without expanding. So RHS I have proved. Why you are saying it is 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Shall I erase better? Now see, I'm doing question number 8, second part. First part, same operation, you have to do homework better. First part, you have to do homework. Second part, I'm doing one of the most important question, repeated question, this one. Now anyhow, first you can easily bring 0. This C2 can be written as C2 minus C1 and C3 can be written as C3 minus C1. If I do this, so my purpose is to bring 0 and easily I can bring it 0 here. I'm keeping C1 as a constant 1A cube. If I do this minus the 0, B minus A and then B cube minus A cube and then 0 and C minus A and then C cube minus A cube. You know the formula A cube minus B cube formula. So if I use that formula 1A cube, now 0, if I take minus from here A minus B, I will get it here A minus B. If I take minus from here A cube minus B cube, formula क्या है? A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Now if I use formula here 0, then C minus A, because as per result we require C minus A. So C minus A into again A cube minus B cube C square plus AC plus A square. Are you clear? You have to use formula very carefully. Now see, this is a column C2. A minus B is common. Kyunki 0 into A minus B, 0 you will get it. A minus B is common here. Here is C minus A is common. Now what I am doing here, take out A minus B comma C minus A from where? C2 and C3 respectively. C2 and C3 are respectively. If I take out, so that is equal to what I will get it. So that is equal to A minus B into C minus A, C minus A. So remaining we have 1, 0, 0. Then A, that is minus 1 and then 1 and then A cube, then minus A square plus AB plus B square. And then here is C square plus AC plus A square. Okay, plus A square. Now see here, you can open this determinant. Otherwise, if you want to add these two, you will get one more 0. That is up to your choice. I brought this determinant into simplest form. I don't have any common element. I can open the determinant. Now expand using R1, that is equal to A minus B into C minus A, 1 into downward. Very carefully you have to do minus C square minus AC minus A square minus upward. So it becomes a plus A square plus AB plus B square. Now that is equal to here. Which one is cancelled with A square will be cancelled. Now A minus B into C minus A into, make it a square combination C, B square minus C square. Then we have AB plus minus AC. Okay, fine. Now that is equal, anyhow you should bring answer. That is equal to C minus A into, this we can use B minus C into B plus C. If I take out here A, again B minus C. If I take out B minus C common, then I will get it A minus B. Then B minus C I'm taking out, then C minus A. Remaining element I have here A. Here I have B plus C. I'm getting RHS better. Are you clear? Are you clear everyone? Say yes, no better. Yes. Yes. So how we have used here operation? Now again I am telling you, whenever you do operation, keep any row or any column constant. With that help of row or column you have to do operation. Then at least you should bring 2 0 inside the determinant and use minimum 2 properties. And before opening the determinant, that determinant should be in simplified form. But there are 3-4 things keep in your mind. Then it is quite easy to do this properties of determinant. Unnecessarily don't get confusion. Do fast, better, do fast. Done it? Have you done better?
मैम वो ऊपर वाला राइट वाला समझ नहीं आ रहा, लाइट पड़ी हुई है।
अच्छा, if I off that now,
ठीक
ठीक है, जल्दी लिखो। Now, beta, this first part, I told you homework. Even then, let me explain how to do it. I'm explaining here. That is 1, A, B, C. That is A square, B square, C square. Okay, fine. Now, this is a homework. Here, what operation you can do? R2 can be written as 0 lekar aane ke liye R2 minus R1. And R3 can be written as, you can write R3 minus R1. Then you have to use the formula. After this operation, use A square minus B square can be written as A plus B into A minus B. Then take out the common element. Then open the determinant. You will get an answer. Clear to you what I'm saying, better? Can you do it homework? Say yes, no, yaar.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, okay. So any doubt? See, only we are doing 4-5 questions, only 40 minutes duration. We are going very slow, beta. I know it is quite difficult to attend this online classes. It's not so easy. Even then, keep patience. Then 1st May, after 1st May, I will try to reduce your language subject. Okay, clear? Okay. So keep on doing practice. Be serious, everyone. So shall I wind up?